Alright, this tutorial covers welding lines together so that they form one complete object. I'm going to go ahead and give myself an arch and bring it in there. And then let's just say I want to create a smaller arch. Like that. And actually I can work entirely in my top view, it'll be a little easier to see. So there it is. I'm going to turn off my grid for now. So I have two different lines here, and I want to connect them. And the first thing I want to do is connect these two arches. So what I can do is just change these to edit meshes. Oh, where'd it go here? So what I want to do is right click on this, convert to editable spline. That's what I'm going to want to do. Same thing with this one. Convert to editable spline. You can, if I change that to an edit spline, what happens between the two here? This is a new object that has an editable spline. This one I can go back to my arc if I need to. But because my vertices stay the same, that's what I'm going to use for both of these. So I'm going to right click, convert to editable splines. So now these are two editable splines. What I can do from this point is click attach and attach the second one. And that's it. So now this object is one big object. It's one arc now. So if I can move it around together, it's editable in every way as one. Now if I want these two vertices here to connect, I am going to want to go down to weld, and if I click weld, nothing happens. That's because the weld limit is 0.1, which is virtually nothing. So I grab the slider and I just bump it all the way up to whatever number I want that's really high. Anything over 200 or 300 should do it. Then I click weld and it welds. Same thing on this side. Okay, they'll weld together. If this is too low, it doesn't see each other. Well, it must be much closer than I thought. But if this is, no, that's working too. Okay, good. You raise it up, but basically you just raise it up to a specific number and then click it into welds. Now if I'm going to go ahead and cap this, it should be one full cap. I didn't plan on this being a moon, but so be it. And then of course I can extrude this if I wanted to, and I give myself a logo just like that. It's a pretty simple way of looking at how to weld.